Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
No, listen, not for my money. No, make me forget, man. Not for my blood clot. Self fuck blood
Me no
clot.
want
Money not
nobody say
poor.
I be chief.
Not for myself fuck money. Coming
Everybody
out
who
on the
know
joke
who
with
in the
my money.
partner,
Just let me
no,
get my
and then
money.
come to the nation.
Coming out on the joke of my money. Me now on the joke of money. I call me I go out in a so just make me get my money and nobody make me forget that. I know me that kill somebody for my money. Just make me get my money. It is so unfair. It is very unfair for everybody at petroleum partner and this and that and get to the job and the door and pay. Listen to me, I'm now on the joke for my money, you know. So, in me now on the blood clot joke for my money. You understand me? I don't know about anybody else, but me now run the joke for my money. So just try to make me get my money. I want me forget my job, me can't get my money. Because it's so unfair for everybody I show them money. I only get on the not show them, but that don't make no sense. And if I war, I'm not run the joke.
So them not sure no more, my love. So, I know what else to do.
Everybody that must dark. It's money that, you know, people have to show them hard working. You know, nobody do for them money.
Money.
You understand me?
America
nobody don't know what them do with their money. Nobody don't know what people do for their money. So anybody that gonna come up here convent and just let me have mine.
You want some, Alia? You want some? Alright. Yes, you don't want one. Easy enough.
That's not nice because you're saving money in the bank. Listen to me, man. I no argument with nobody can
save in a bank.
Listen to me now.
Everybody can save in a bank. Partner is good.
Listen now. Shannon I run joke. Shannon I tell some lie or some joke. I mean I believe Shannon what she say.
It's not lie. It's not lie. Me not run a joke. You don't know something not compare so fuck you. No, just eat. No. Alright, eat what you eat.
Understand me?
Yeah.
Me not run a joke with nobody at my money.
Am I?
Just to let me have mine.
Eh?
No, me I make them know, so listen to me. You say one thing, I don't run money joke. So even though I mean, nobody at part of nothing,
for the money you want to.
Shannon, you are the banker. Shannon, you is the banker. You is the banker by right, so you must know what you're doing.
I mean, if you know me, I don't.
Yeah.
Wait. In mine. You see a lot, Mr. Last time, nobody shut down. Shut down. Mr. Think wild. Crazy. Yeah.
Those 16 and they must want your money back so bad. Me don't talk. Coming in a no arguments.
You know what I want?
Me not in a no arguments. I mean, now come here and beat up my chest.
I want him to pick blood clot and I'm going to let you know. Him when I eat, him say, let's look at it more. Come, just eat up, come in already. Alright, come back, talk about it next time.
Shannon.
Yeah.
The people man are coming to for them want their money. So the people man tell for them want their money.
Get my and them and throw my 500 and Shannon Chisby
The banker is going to lose. That's how it goes. Unfortunately, that way you must lose who you put in it. Them luck here. Hey, tip. I'm lucky, man. I'm not for some no. Well, I don't like to say.
Don't say that.
As I should do. It's like coming through my money. It's like coming through my money now. Listen now. It's like I throw my money in peace.
Back and back.
Shannon. It's like I throw My money in peace. I should supposed to get it back in peace and not in pieces.
Yeah, that's why I have to make everybody who in the partner know about what's going on. You understand? I have to make everybody know what's going on. I mean, I wrote no joke.
Also, make the nation, yeah, make the nation deal with it.
Yeah, the nation have to deal with it. The nation.
Your nation.
Yeah, remember the nation, them not get their money yet, you know. Remember the nation, them not get their money yet. So, how it go?
The nation, them have to get their money. Even though I know about nothing else, we know the nation, them have to get their money. One nation under God.
Yeah.
That me know.
Remember the nation, them not get their money yet, so.
We know the
Remember
nation,
the
them.
nation, them bust skull. I mean, I want nobody bust my skull.
The nation, them have to get their money.
No, some just mix up, you know. Let me say.
That's why I don't have. Pinky said that's why. Yes,
Remember the nation, them love them big
I have
and
respect for my receptions and everyone. I have to sign a contract, and as a banker, you're responsible for other people's money. So Pinky, I talk to you there. Pinky, I talk to you.
Pinky.
Rich Pinky.
Yesterday, something about going for the girl them money.
You think I run a fucking joke with her? You think I run a fucking joke with her? I wanna Barnes Avenue me ago. When a Barnes Avenue me ago, you must think I run a fucking joke with her. Me not no pussy now. From no, not me, girl. Me not no pussy from no, not me, girl. Whatever truth. Oh, but this for the rich Pinky. It can reach anybody. It can reach anybody. But what you want to do with it? I run no fucking joke.
It na bit na blood clot sick nah. People want money.
Shannon, so what happened? Shannon,
Yeah,
what happened?
the lady get the partner money and then she said, she not pay no more. Me and her catch up, so she not paying anymore.
Who are the lady?
So that just a session on.
What the lady? Well, Shannon,
Chisby.
All right, fine. Shannon, you know,
Who's Chisby? Your friend Chisby?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Stop
Shannon,
your lie.
Shannon,
Eh?
girl, all I say, in all fairness, though, you have to deal with Chisby upon that. So even when your company has a Chisby now pay the partner money, it's your responsibility.
Yeah.
To fix that. So you coming from here don't resolve nothing. It doesn't make no sense to me personally. I'm not telling like sister girl. And you have to figure the partner out with the people in money as a banker. You know this.
Yeah.
So coming from here now.
I think you paid. I mean, I wrote no fucking joke with her. You get the money, me and you have with differences. You give me back the people their money. Whether one time or you send it weekly.
Right. So the partner done?
Eh?
The partner done?
No, the partner done next month.
The partner done next month?
Yeah.
So how much money she for throw back?
1,500.
Well, Shannon, you have to take a responsibility there. You're the banker. Sorry.
Why would you take your responsibility? She got her partner draw.
It still doesn't matter if she says she not throw back. You are the banker.
She dead? She dead?
You still not get what me and say. You can't
she
pay.
Dead?
Where are the lock her up?
If you have to lock her up?
Yeah.
Me not talk to my lad
from CV where you married to?
You see back from money, then when they grow up, I come as a boy. I always give my granny say back from money. Eh?
When it's done, when I live it done, you call me.
Back from money, I want money where you're not ramp with.
Shannon, mind you say it now and joke way. I must joke.
And that means that too.
Listen,
But I want
when I
joke where
joke,
she say it now.
it's no joke because guess what? Me a call her, me text her, it's no answer, right? So me get to for my friend, to get to her. She not pick up, she not answer.
That make no sense.
So me get to fear her partner lady, to get to her. So the partner lady said, get back to me and she said, she not sure no more. So she not sure no more.
Is it war, Shannon?
Right? Your husband was married to.
You girl, Chisby lend money? Chisby give her something? So what are you saying? Everybody in America know Chisby not giving up now. Chisby ever work with a $2? $2 in her pocket.
It's unfortunate it ever be that way, though.
Eh?
It's unfortunate. It has to be that way.
And the
Very
boy
unfortunate.
is shame.
It's very unfortunate. I'm sorry to you to resolve it a different way.
So, you
Emily there?
are you gonna change your advice?
Yeah.
Emily?
Yeah, auntie.
You choose me not to ask.
Me and her nothing.
Alright, you're catfishing.
We'll see if I can get to her and talk to her, even though this should be the by yourself.
Me, at the bank have to deal with that.
You're right.
I went to come for me get my money, me get my money.
Chisby block
Me
me
not
for
have no
WhatsApp
contact
and she
with
block me
her.
on Instagram.
Who else up on this?
Where's the girl?
She block me on WhatsApp and she block me on Instagram. So not
Oh, she block you for WhatsApp.
Oh,
Well, me and her. Well, me and
no,
her
she not
have
block me on she not block me on Instagram.
Eh?
She don't go block me on WhatsApp.
Listen now. Listen now, Shannon, listen now, Pinky. I cannot go to the lady. Understand me? If Shannon is the banker. Shannon, I feel you with that.
Me to deal with that? You don't want me to deal with it, I push me and go.
You never take this need for come over Instagram.
Once me not get the money, a problem. Me never want the money. Me no want no problem. I personally no want no problem. You understand me? I personally no want no problem.
This can do probably
$250 a week. Me personally no want no problem. You understand me? When she forget the money, me make sure some run got the Chase Bank and go jar money.
So much was the withdrawal?
Make sure me not have it in here at no time.
Much of the withdrawal?
People them money, me road drive got the Chase Bank. Go legit. So when you get your partner jar in a Chase envelope at all times. Everybody will get their money. You understand me, Pinky?
Right.
Me no keep no money in here at no given time. You want your partner, your partner jar, and it come in, you get your money in a one Chase envelope. Cause there's some middle banking.
So much of the draw?
3-5.
Well, cook and spicy and hot.
Right.
Yeah, I like that.
3-5 she get.
But me say still. So she will pay back 1,500 more.
Right.
And you've been calling her, she not answer.
She not answer. She block me.
Somebody said they just be bring it to the internet. No.
She not bring it to the internet, Royal Shan, but I guess Shannon feel the way him feel. That means to me I give him right for company because him shouldn't deploy with it. And second thought.
But you been a set from morning, some don't know what them a come with.
Yeah. Shannon the skill.
Maybe that said from man say Shannon for deal with it a better way.
Yeah.
Some don't know what them a compare so with it for like your Apple with Shannon. I saw them know for sure black car.
No leave her. Just ask a question.
Yes, sir.
Me know what the problem.
Shannon,
Me
bro,
never really
so
see a
blessed. What's
problem.
up?
You understand me? You see that you walk go through my head? So me just come here, so. Cause I don't know how to get to her. I mean, I want really to go down our yard thinking.
Right.
Me no want to go down our yard, go strip naked and wait till our mother come out. Or me go our mother church and strip naked. Come on, man.
So you go strip naked and show that body
I'm
there?
in a plan to go down there today.
Where's the trouble?
I was planning to go down there. Then they gonna call the ambulance and the mad people them. The people that will look for the mad people them. The ambulance, the fire truck and everything that will come this
Girl,
morning.
that
Or
man
this
them joke you.
evening. That's how far me reach. You understand me? I mean, I want the problem. So me I come out here, so if somebody up out here, so we can talk to her, come call to somebody we know, but I talk to her. She black one. And the next lady say she don't really want to get involved in it.
One thing with my partner recipients, them they behave and pay on time.
Pinky, sometimes they not even pay. I'm gonna go dry it and give me. Me not have none, you know. You understand me? We don't have it right now to go drop in. Cause me a move. So all of my little money spend up to my business. I mean, I want nobody go say, you take their money and fix your place.
Well, I lay the plan, watch ugly Bella.
Huh?
Watch ugly Bella.
Me can't have lunch come game.
Me know. Bella them say you run up the partner.
Huh?
Them say Bella run up the partner.
I better more turn up in them. Cause them have everything.
I find there Jamaica Pinky. Pinky, the accent is tough though.
Bad. Bad Bella,
You
bad.
understand me? So I come here, so I don't
Tough
want
bad
to go
Bella.
on a Barnes Avenue. I don't want to go on a Barnes Avenue, go strip naked or find our mother and behave real bad. Mr. Last night, 2 hours me shut down. That's even food. Me not eat till around 3 o'clock. You understand me? So everybody shut down. And whole heap of something will go through my mind. A whole heap of something. Because me there I may have my problem. Me there I may have my problem. I'm not sure for nobody. Me not sure nobody. Me not sure for nobody. And something. You understand me? Me not sure for nobody. You get the money. Me have the differences. You trap me and me rub you. What happened? Nothing no happen. No cup, no book, no copy, no that shit. Nobody not supposed to have no hard feelings. You think
Boy,
that
I'm a
me speak
camera.
you, but I never me first speak you. I never me first chat you. I never me first chat you, you know. I never me first chat you. You first talk me, right? And me decide to say, here what? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You understand? Enough is enough. So here one, me don't want a problem with you. Me definitely don't want no problem with you. You understand me? Me no want no problem with you. So, me just want the people their money. Just want the people their money.
Mm-hmm.
Me just want the people their money. Me don't want a problem. Me definitely don't want no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Me no come but no problem. So anybody on here can just talk to her and something, they definitely don't want no problem. I don't want the disgrace. Me don't want the disgrace. That's how me I run from the disgrace and so on. Me I run from it. Me don't want that. We have the differences, make it, you understand, make it resolve otherwise. So, me don't want, we can resolve this different. You get the money, you just continue through it. Just finish through it. Me don't want to go around a Barnes Avenue. And wait till when whosoever come out, me just start going bad. You understand? Me don't want the problem. Me definitely don't want them the problem there. So, remember me at Jamaica, you know? We go to one little incident. Remember me at Jamaica? I want woman. See me. I just start press me, bat him on, bat him on, bat him on. You don't know what me do? Me wait. Until I just put up my arm. The pastor says, yes, young man. Yes, young man. I'm a son of a top. And the pastor said, who I'm talking? And I said, that lady. She shame. She run, come over, come up me up. Me find Chisby mother. And go in our church. Go sit down. And put up the hand same way. Me that mad. Yeah. I'm determined. Me determined I need the people their money. Me not want a problem. Me not want no problem. Me not want no problem. On a rich, I don't have house, I don't have car, on no kids then they here, on no family then they here, and everything alright for uno. Me come and me just a try, so me no want uno put no black in my way. Leave me come in and molest uno. I no success, me happy for uno. Me no want no problem. Me no want no problem. Yes, Pucci. You understand me? Me no want no problem. Me no want have to go around a Barnes Avenue and have to go strip me a kid. You understand me? Me no want no problem. Right, you get the money. So what's the issue? You don't want to talk to me. You have it that much. You just drive and carry it come, or you drive and send it come. Send it on an Uber, or cash up it or Zelle. It's two of them. It's two of some of them active. I don't want no problem. Me don't want no problem. Me not look no problem with nobody. You know? When I have everything, me not have nothing. So when you want come fight one little boy, we just come in America try. Mm-hmm. I can't work with it, man. I can't work with it. I'm more than out of this girl. You get the money, you know, finish pay it. So now she put two girl in a hit. One of them get her ready and one not get. So me know if it's a here what. And then girl they have to go stand the loses. No, I'm not that type of person. You understand me? Me not the type of somebody that me don't want the problem. Me definitely don't want no problem with nobody. Me never come here for that. Me never come here for that. So me just want she fi just give me back the people their money. Whether one time or she want show it weekly or what. Me not want no problem. Everybody have go live on the hide face. Me not hide mine. Cause guess what? Me not do nothing illegal. No want the little partner money. I want the people them partner money. Yeah. I want the people them partner money. Hold on. I want back the people them money. We don't talk.